We stand at the forefront of an incredible transformation in the industry of smart factories. Forward-thinking businesses are seizing the opportunity to revolutionize their operations by investing in private wireless networks and upgrading to cutting-edge 5G technology. These technological advancements enable seamless communication, ultra-fast data transfer, and real-time analytics, revolutionizing productivity and efficiency on the factory floor. With private wireless networks, companies have complete control and customization over their network infrastructure, ensuring privacy, security, and adaptability tailored to their specific operations. In this age of automation and intelligent manufacturing, private wireless networks and the arrival of 5G provide the backbone for the future of smart factories. The possibilities are limitless, and businesses are embracing this transformation to stay ahead in the market. Experts anticipate the global market for smart manufacturing to reach a staggering $727 billion by 2023. And now is the best time for businesses to invest in 5G networks for their plants and factories. To equip your factories or warehouses for 5G innovation, ADRF offers a complete suite of products to meet your needs. Our equipment is modular, future-proof, and 5G ready, making it easy to install in buildings and structures of any size and shape. To learn more about our offerings or to speak to one of our sales representatives, please email us at sales@adrftech.com or visit us on the web at www.adrftech.com today.